Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day and we are celebrating 14 years together. Oh my goodness, 14 years you guys. We've been married now for 9 years this year, but together 14. We still celebrate that anniversary. You know, it's monumental. And as you can see, it is a very different type of anniversary. we have three little crazy ones in the background. So we're gonna be going and picking some blueberries. It is absolutely gorgeous here in Florida. It gets hot, and today is like the perfect sunny 77 degrees low humidity weather to be doing this activity because it can get pretty hot here in Florida. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this adventure started.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now, I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now.
We have made it back home. It was so nice, you guys, but at the end of our blueberry picking, it got toasty. It was a little too warm. The sun was like full blown to not a cloud in the sky. So the kids were getting a little red and we just called it after an hour of blueberry picking. We didn't really get a lot. We got like, what, half a pound?
Yeah.
Half a pound of blueberries, but it's hard. As you saw, one kid was running one way, the other one was running the other way, the other one was crying, so I had to put Baby Z on my little harness and just walk and chase, you know, one or the other kid. So it's not easy to go blueberry picking with 3 kids that are 3 and under because they're gonna do whatever they want. So we are currently cleaning them. I have them right now sitting in this bowl with baking soda and water. I'm about to rinse them off and we're gonna be doing some blueberry muffins. I found a recipe on Pinterest that was semi-healthy with like a crumble on top. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then tonight we're gonna do takeout for dinner. Not sure what, but we'll figure that out later. The 2 girls are waking up from their naps, so I need to hurry and get this started.
It's your smile.
never eat sushi, it's one of those rare treats with some miso soup. I love the miso soup. And muffins for dessert. So in a couple of minutes, I think we have 11 minutes left. We're gonna check on them to see if they're done, but I am so excited for these muffins. They look really good. And it was actually a pretty healthy recipe. The dough was a little kind of stiff, if you saw, not as runny, but I think it's because it is kind of healthy. It didn't have a whole bunch of oil or butter. It had like very little, so I'm excited to try it. It did have quite a bit of sugar, but not as much sugar as some of the other recipes that I saw. Once again, this is definitely a treat.
I gotta love, love. Yeah, yeah. I gotta love, love. Yeah, yeah. I gotta love, love. Yeah, yeah. I gotta love. Yeah, yeah. Some people say
The moment of truth. Let's open this up. Oh, that looks good. That looks chewy. Look at that. All right, let's do this. The blueberries are a little tart.
Yep, not as much as I thought I was going to be mixing them with the lemon.
Yeah. Ooh, the crumble came out really good.
Yeah.
Baby Z, you want some? Here. You actually ate your dinner. Yeah, the blueberries are a little tart. It's a little chewy. It's not like a traditional muffin, I feel. I think that's what we get for being healthy. The texture is just off. I can taste a little bit of a hint of lemon in there. And the blueberries, some of them are tart, some of them are sweet. So overall though, that crumble really did it. Well, this completes this video, my friends. The kids are sleeping. We are tired. And we're just gonna sit down and lounge on the sofa. So like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time.